Shubor nakaslem jong Ïohnong san Hima.
Kumbalong House nem Baladep, Kameghalian Age Limited, haringkat bat katanat tourism, agriculture bat farmers welfare, mentagasni kila yo ban play pat ba, bat Sdang ya kata Tamasa so Shan, lani kata ka Strawberry Festival, Kaba asni lenter ha Sohliya Riboy District. Kani Kadei kasin Kabaar, baya kani kata Tamasa lapalong ha kani ka Ïohnong Sohliya. Ya kani kata Tamasa lawan ban play pat ba, the Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District. U Abilash Baranwal, Hakajing Edan Ringkat U District Horticulture Officer Karibhoy, U Pranjal Datta, U Rang Bashnong ka Sohliya, Uba Ustandar Linkhoy, Nalor ki Nongrep, Kireo Patba Bat ki Khana School Kathan. Habakran Hakani Kasi, U Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy District, U Abilash Baranwal, U Loong Baka Jingrep, Ye U Shan, Kalong Kabayonong Bha, Bat baka mariang ru Kadei kabaya ha bantung ya uniu jat so ha kini kithan bat airu ya ka jingkular banakaliang jengki bor pinya district haringkat bat katanat horticulture bat ka sarkar jilla kinlong ki balkloi ban kintiu bat penbha shushu ya ka rukom rep ya so Shan katkum ka jingdon kam ki pat ba Nongrep habayo opat banyakren bat ki katto kat ne ki Nongrep ki balawan banishim benta ha ka ne ka Sngi ki layatho ba ka ne ka kam rep so Shan kalong ka bamentoi bat Ïohnong bha bat kumba ka jing yo kam sarkar ha kani ka juk ka bamenta kalong ka bashitom ka jingrap yo so Shan ka deiru ka wei na kilat yo kam yo jam.
Yes. plum, guava. This is from Umti village. This is the village. This is the village of Shan. Okay, this is very well. Okay, so this is wine.
Strawberry wine. Strawberry juice.
This is also strawberry wine. Okay, 3 different types of bottling wine.
It's
Different colors.
difficult to get the bottle. That's right.
Okay, and this is scotch
Strawberry juice.
juice. Okay, and what is
Our DHO is one of the most profitable venture that any farmer can adopt. The conditions are also suitable. As I was discussing with Bawas, planting materials are of urgent requirement over here. I, as Deputy Commissioner of the district, along with our horticulture officer, will try and see how the needs of the farmer can be met in a better manner. I apologize for the delay, but then there was some urgent matter that had to be taken care of. There was a VC, the beautiful stalls that have come up. I congratulate the organizers. I wish the organizers the very best for organizing this festival. And I hope that strawberry cultivation is something that, Sohliya village continues to inspire all the villages around, and from district administration and from horticulture office and from government of Meghalaya, whatever role we can play in realizing their aspirations, we would be very happy to do that. Thank you. With these words, I'd like to rest my speech. Thank you for having me here.
Program dalam berkait, kabanan kalau orang dalam berkam, henry, kabanan ailat ini apa? Ini dan punya kemudahan. I play nasol ke kasaran di sendiri school, kira tristom, kira kawai di Gerwai, ngam dari nasol di festival. Gerwai na bukta, Imran Salam cino matau, Gerwai rong sa Imran Salam kau kali kita seperti itu kawai. Aku play, pendiat cuma berbalas. Ini penting nanti kampung ini kita nak kau pernah senang. Mana senang dan gol di sebuah grup. Badan nak kau katilu, kita mana dulu. Engkau lupa, kita lupa. Saya sama aku senang. Ïohnong sport club senang. Kalau kini, kita yang kerja pengajar berprofesional. Nanti ikam, jam, pengilang, pengilang. Kalau Kaba, Sohliya, rumah di kalau kini, penonton profesional Ïohnong jadi Thailand. Jadi jam itu jumpa kuai. Kemudian, mengenai dengan ciri dengan kuai. Apa senang makan nenek. Sngi for Tamasa baru mundur, kemudian Ïohnong kawai Ïohnong seteli kali saja baru orang di job ekstrim di Sngi Ïohnong. Karena perendaran nama sempurna kena beli kena abnadu mana Islam dan mereka beli lagi ngebu kapat kena jam para bukti sejam di sekolah kena dijual kalau terus
He says that strawberry cultivation is much more profitable than any other crop, as we can be assured of at least 50% return on the investment. Now, citing the previous year's example when he got assistance from the Technical Mission, Bas pointed out that with an investment of 80,000, he made a net profit of 1,84,000 from 14,000 plants. That was his statement. Initially, strawberries from his farm and from other farmers were marketed by a private entrepreneur by the name of Zopper, and which was initiated by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare under the Office of the District Horticulture Officer. But now he has developed his own market all over the state and beyond the state also. So, having been trained and working in close association with the model processor strawberries, the government horticulture farm located in Dowley combined with his own personal experience of the benefit of strawberry cultivation, Baos has transformed himself into a highly effective change agent for the cause of commercial horticulture, and his hard work, resourcefulness, entrepreneurship, and selfless dedication in spreading the message of commercial strawberry cultivation in the district is a shining instance of leading by example. Due to his efforts, the village of Sohliya, as well as the entire district of Kadei, has taken to strawberry cultivation in a big way, and Meghalaya is well on the way in becoming a leader in commercial strawberry cultivation. Earlier, strawberry cultivation was concentrated in Hima district. However, now this cultivation has spread to other districts, and under Hima district, it started with this village, Sohliya village, but as of today, it has spread to other villages like Ïohnong, Ïohnong, and other areas. Now, this is another village by the name of where the farmers are doing very well, and they have seen the returns of strawberries. And some of the farmers from the particular village is there, and they do not wait for the government assistance for strawberry cultivation. They go their own way and they buy their own planting materials, the mulching materials, and the drip machines. They do not wait for government subsidy any longer. However, we still continue to support them with their planting materials as and when we receive the schemes. So this we have been doing for the last since 2004. So on an average, one plant ranges from produce can produce about 300 to 500 grams for the entire lifespan, which lasts about 4 months. And as I told you, there is very lucrative and a huge return of the investment in strawberry cultivation. Now, at present, what is the assistance given by us? We give planting materials along with drip irrigation and plastic mulch for the new beneficiaries, and for old beneficiaries, those who already have drip irrigation and mulching, we give only the planting material. Now, currently, Kadei ranks first in terms of production of strawberries in the state. Though the farmers are technically sound with the contributions of the crop, there are still some challenges faced by them. So, as a department, we are in engagement with different research organizations and other entities to solve the problems and to do away with the challenges. But the major challenges which they face is about planting material, because production of runners of strawberries is a challenge. So we are in consultation with the ICR organization also, but till today we could not do it properly. The production of runners, so that becomes a challenge because strawberry planting material has to be replaced every year. Once you plant, you get the plant will last for 3 to 4 months, and then in the next season we have to plant the new planting material. So the planting material we do not produce in the state. It has to come all the way from Pune, so it becomes very expensive. So we are constantly trying to find out ways and means so that we can have a production in our own state.
Keting jangan kadi rusa lamet, kadi na po Ïohnong ukti. Di kini ki strawberry ki badai na kpela jok, na po farm na jok, na po ukti. Di kini ki juice ki bangi snahi di kini ki strawberry. Kini ki wine bangi snahi di kini ki strawberry hibaro. Di na kani ki strawberry ngi yo juntoy shi bun bha namar khamtam kum kor mentalong banyo kam kalong jenja bha. Kadiru kadi kawai nakakam kapangile ha ka jumi man kasbi kabangi yo jumentoy shibun nakani pero shibun ha festival ngi yo ban promote mo iki kabangi snahi na ladi kum tu ngi yo ban penpau nong kibru kitip mo bangi rishna wine rishna juice ay kum tu ngi yo bun ha ki jumentoy lang ngi yo promote ay ki wine ki juice ki so ki jams na dong siya dong kum ta ki kabangi dan ma.
Terus keting juga kalau dinibalin ko ng lain, pag-nilis lang ng nihin ako. So, iya, kung Nongrep, ngayon at kini, yung strawberry jam, pati asya strawberry. Kaya kini, busin ni yo man di magkakasi, at juro, wala yung siya yo man sarwa siya, hindi patisya. Jangan kadai kaya manangkay. Ada nang era Sohliya tinggi kuman strawberry ngi kai sipur ha tala nang nolasi kau kata nam e gila to no strawberry am iyo jing to sibun ha te da ka jingwan jongan ka festival iyo jing mun toy om tang yang ni simen re tam tam ya ka snong ka thau ken ni iyo jing mun toy te ni yo nu so em ni lady pada sa ni laban pa supply sa po guati entar tela dam melasu la po selong kan ni pa sa guati juru gini gi wan strawberry ru snahi yang ni ya po snong Sohliya ni je mentoy de gi sibun ha ni si je kai dala de yang de gi su pan ni su wat jing tip lang tu ang ji snahi wala.
Yeah. So, what inspired you to visit this festival?
I live about 5 kilometers from here, so I wanted to come and just see what it was about.
Is this your first time or?
Strawberry Festival. I've been coming to Meghalaya for about 35 years.
Okay.
My wife is Kasi.
Oh, yeah, well, experience from this.
So far, not much other, because to be quite honest, I was a bit upset with the lack of advertising. The only thing that I found on it was that it was being held, changed dates, held today, and I tried to find out opening time and details, and the only thing I saw was opening time at 10 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock tomorrow, but 1 o'clock today. But I came here about 11 o'clock, and I'm just quite happy walking around, talking with some people. Some of the people here I know from other times, and I think it's very well organised.